But I think that when you actually look at the ethnographic data from all parts of the world collected in the field by people who spent time with the Azande and the Kikuyu and the Witoto and the, so forth, the Kyrgyz and so on, the body of testimony of what we would call paranormal phenomenon is sufficiently impressive that another model has to be called into play. And I think it's that there are ways to push the mind by extraordinary pharmacological encounters or stress into a kind of higher dimensional space. This would be sort of like the idea that the indeterminacy that adheres to matter at the quantum mechanical level, the fact that it displays itself as particle or wave, depending on the questions being asked, that fundamental indeterminacy apparently has to be amplified through every level of nature, including the human level, so that when you get to ourselves, the mystery of ourselves is the particulate, finite, and dissolving body, and the intuition of the unseen, wave-like, infinite spirit, the indwelling entelechy that creates the cohesion of the nexus of actual occasions that is the coordinated prehension of an organic system, right? We'll just stop there.